Hello fam, let's make these tasty hot wings. You are gonna love these are so yum. I made these the other day and I just regret making only a few. I wish I made more. Right, so to start off, you're going to pat dry your chicken wings and then just drizzle some lemon juices in there. I used half a lemon. And start to season with your salt. I'm using sea salt, you can use any salt. And then just adding some black pepper as well for that flavor. Then I'm going in with my all-purpose seasoning. You can also use chicken spice or any chicken wrap that you have in your pantry. I used a teaspoon. Now I'm going in with this very spice. You can also use cayenne pepper. Don't use a lot, especially if you don't want them to be extremely hot. So we're just going to now mix everything well and then drizzle some more lemon. Just to increase more flavor on our wings, we're going to add half a teaspoon of paprika and then just a touch of this oregano spice. This bad boy in here is hot, so be careful. Don't add too much. It's habanero sauce. If you don't have habanero sauce, you can use the actual habanero peppers. Grind them. Only use just one, and then just grind it and then mix it through. I'm also going in with my favorite Nando sauce, Mozambican paprika. I also like using the mild sauce. Now I'm just gonna mix everything. Drizzle some olive oil and get in there with your hands and mix everything well until evenly coated. Oh my goodness, they smell so good fam. They smell so good and fresh. So what you need to do is just transfer them to an empty dish, place them in the fridge overnight or for 2 hours. Then the next day when you are ready to make your wings, you can then remove them from the fridge, place them on the counter for 30 minutes before cooking them so that they can get to room temperature. So this is the next day. We're just going to get our dish, add some olive oil. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Now we're just going to place our wings on a tray. We are so going to enjoy these wings while watching The Mandalorian season 3. What are you currently watching? Please share some shows with me. I'd love to hear what you guys are watching. Now place your wings in the 180 degrees oven and bake for 25 minutes or so. And then once they start to look like this, you can now bake them and then baste them and then return them to the oven for about 15 minutes until they look nice and crispy outside. Don't forget to subscribe. These were so yum fam. Please do try them and let me know if you try them. They were really tasty. day.